Get excited about the 2012 Jeep Liberty. It features an automatic transmission, four-wheel drive, and a refined six-cylinder engine. Jeep prioritized practicality, efficiency, and style by including power front seats, a built-in garage door transmitter, heated seats, rear wipers, and voice-activated navigation. For drivers who enjoy the natural environment, a power moonroof allows an infusion of fresh air. You and your passengers will enjoy the stereo system, which includes a CD player with MP3 capability, a 20-gigabyte hard drive, and 9 speakers, providing excellent sound throughout the cabin. Jeep ensures the safety and security of its passengers with equipment such as dual front impact airbags with occupant sensing airbag, head curtain airbags, traction control, brake assist, anti-whiplash front head restraints, and four-wheel disc brakes with ABS. For added security, dynamic stability control supplements the drivetrain. We'd also be happy to help you arrange financing for your vehicle. Please don't hesitate to give us a call.